Hello guys, this is your instructions for 3.4 CER paragraph for lesson 2.1, the force of gravity. So in the last lesson, you guys had a claim assigned to you, and you were going to have to prove with a CER paragraph and explain why your claim was invalid. So your claim, you can flip back to page 8 of your notebook for lab 2.1, the force of gravity, and you can see that, but I'm going to write it here on the screen. So your claim said weight and mass are completely unrelated. Completely unrelated. And have nothing in common. So that is the claim. We of course know that this is invalid, but your job is going to be to explain why it's invalid using claim evidence reasoning. So our question would have been something to the effect of, are mass and weight related? And then you would have made a claim. Well, the claim was already provided for you. So my claim is, I think weight and mass are completely unrelated and have nothing in common. Again, this is wrong. So what you guys are going to do is you're going to write a CER paragraph. You're going to start with the claim, which I'm already given you here at the bottom, but I use something like this to make the claim. You guys are going to start with the claim and make sure you say how it is invalid when you're writing your claim. And you guys are going to pull in evidence using some of these sentence starters or something like that. I'm pointing to it in green there with the arrow. And you guys are going to pull data and observations from your lab to help with this. So again, you're going to have to cite things. So for the claim, there is one statement which is provided at the bottom. For the evidence, you need to come up with two sentences that follow the format provided below. You can use any of those. And then again, your evidence needs to come from the lab that we did, the things that you saw. You guys that were in class, again, you got to see a little more, but the people that did this virtually, go with what you saw me use in the video. And then in blue, you've got the reasoning section. Again, you're going to need two sentences for reasoning, two complete sentences. So again, remember, evidence is data. That's not a marker. Remember, evidence is data that supports your claim. This is going to be observation and measurements from investigations. That's going to be most of it. But you do also have a data table information that you can use. All right. Finally, the reasoning section. Again, make sure you get this part. Your reasoning is going to explain why the evidence disproves the claim. It's going to explain why it is invalid, and you're going to provide scientific principles and background/prior knowledge. Again, you may use the sentence starters for reasoning to help you. But again, this should just be a paragraph. So one sentence for the claim, two sentences for the evidence, two sentences for the reasoning. Your job is to disprove this statement right here at the bottom that I'm pointing to in red. Almost like a persuasive essay, except instead of what you think and what you feel like in a persuasive essay, this is based on the data. This is wrong because I saw X, Y, and Z. All right, so this will be completed on Schoology. You will just open up the assignment for 3.4, create a new text document there in Schoology, and you'll submit it all right there in Schoology. All right, guys, you guys have a good day. Thank you. Oh, by the way, this is a 25-point quiz grade. So make sure you put in your best effort because I will grade these for correctness. Thank you, guys. Have a good day now.